Hello guys, I Arabinda. I am back with another interesting SQL interview question. So today's question is being asked by Walmart India, and so let's jump into the today's question. So this question is something like related to the sales, related to the e-commerce. So we have two tables. One is order table, and another one is item table. So in the item table, we have item ID, item name, item category. So item ID is the primary key for the item table, and item name and the item category is there for all the related item. And in the there is another table is there, order table. In the order table we have order id and item id as the primary key for this table. This table contains information related to the order that has been placed, and order date is a column. It's basically it's a date field when the item id was ordered by the customer with the customer id. So the ask is, suppose one business owner is there, they want to see how the one of the supply chain people will be there, so they want to see how their businesses are going through. So that's the reason, so they want to make a report where we have to write a SQL query to report how many units in each category have been ordered on each day of the week. So basically, we have to find out on each item category how many number of order has been placed on each day of the week. So the expected output will be item category will be there. So there are different item categories are there. So on each item category, what will be the sale on Monday, and to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So all the day. So Monday to Sunday. How and wherever there is no cell, that should be reflect as a 0. So even if the quantity is not available in the order table, still the item category should be reflect as a 0 if there is no order being placed from that particular item category. So let's jump into the SQL management studio for the better understanding. So here basically we have two table. One is order table, and another one is item underscore t. So what will be the approach for this problem is, so we have to find out basically on each item category how many number of order being placed. So we will join the item table along with the order table. We will use the left outer join for that, so that we will not miss any of the item category, because item category should be in the first priority. And we will join these two table with the help of the item id. And then what we will do, we will segregate the data. We will sum the quantity group by item category. And again we have to find out on each day how many number of quantity that has been placed. So what I will do, we will use some of the date function. So let's jump into the SQL Server Management Studio for the better understanding. So let's select the table first. So what I will do, select star from item underscore t, item underscore t. Table is item underscore. So I'll just make a I. Let's run it. Then what I will do, select star from order table. Select O. I'll just give the alias for better understanding. So what I will do now is select I dot item category, comma. Then what I will do is, then we will just join the table. We'll just do the left join on. We'll do the sum of here, basically O dot. Basically we will get quantity, sum of quantity, order table, left join O on what, I dot item id is equal to O dot quantity and group by O dot, sorry, group by I dot category. So basically in the group by clause, we have to mention the I dot item category. So basically here in the group by clause, so wherever whenever the non-aggregated column will be there in the select statement, the same column should be in the group by. So let's run it. So here we will get that item category and the respective column. Sorry, respective total number of quantity. So here you can see the phone is having null. So that means the phone item category don't have any of the cell, and similar with the t-shirt. But we need the expected output in the similar fashion. So item category will be there, and per day how many number of quantity that has been placed. So what I will do for that one is, so here there will be a little bit of change. What we will do, so we'll write a case statement. So case when date, we'll use the date part basically. So we'll use the date part here, and what we will do from the date part, what we want to do, we want to fetch the weekday, and from where we should fetch o dot order date basically. Order date is o dot order date, and o dot order date. Then if this order date is equal to 2, then quantity. The quantity is coming from the O table. That is quantity is item underscore t, table name is I. So here we'll see, I'll just mention as a Monday. Let me explain you. So basically what we're trying to do is here, so case when date part is a date function, the output will be the integer, and weekday is the date part, on which part we should we are trying to fetch it from that order table, like from the order date. So here we want to fetch the day part. So it will be the output will be the integer. So if it is 2, that should be Monday, and so let's run it for better understanding. Let's run it. So you can see it is 0. So if we will, so similar fashion, what we have to do is, now we have to make get it till Sunday. The 2 is Monday, 3 is a Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I just mentioned one extra so that I will remove it. I will remove the comma as well, and I will just make it to 3, 4, 5, will be 6, and Saturday will be 7, and Sunday will be 1. So basically, so we are trying to fetch. So what I'll do, I'll just basically what I'm trying to do, when date part is the weekday, and when the date part we are trying to fetch the weekday from the order table, and whenever it will be the 2, at that point of time what will be the quantity, it will fetch from that particular table. If there is no quantity, then it should be reflected as a 0. So let's run it, get it. See, now we can able to see the expected result. So let me explain in a very simple way. Suppose we want to fetch the today's day in the integer format. Date, will use the date part, and weekday, so that it will fetch the day part, and in the form of integer, and I will just get the get date. So today's date I will get it. Let's run it. So basically today's date is 28th April, and today is Friday. So Friday is 6. Friday is 6. So this, it will fetch date part and date name. There are two SQL in the SQL server. There are two date function is there that we use to fetch the data. Fetch the data from the date column. So date part output will be the integer. Date name output will be the string. That's very simple. If you have any better solution apart from this solution, please do comment in the video section, and I'll paste the SQL script in the comment section of this video. I'll pin the comment, and please do subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you.